Hi friends, how are you? It's Miss Lan. We're getting ready to do some math learning today. All right, let's get ready. So boys and girls, we have been working on a new chapter in math. We have been talking about shapes, specifically 2D shapes. 2D stands for two-dimensional. We are going to be using these vocabulary words in this lesson today. We are going to be using this word, side. Side. You see, it's pointing to the side. The sides are the lines that make up the shape. We are going to be using this word today, vertex. Vertex. And if it's plural, meaning more than one, we say vertice. The vertex is the point where the side meets. So the corners are the vertices. We are going to be talking specifically about these two shapes today. Triangle. Triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. And we are going to be talking about this shape today. Circle. A circle doesn't have any sides. It is round. So boys and girls, before we get started, I wanted to tell you, I found this really great book. It's called The Shape of Things, and I wanted to share it with you today because I found it in Jordan's library full of books, and I thought, this is perfect. This is what we're studying about in math, and it's all about shapes. I love these big books. A square is just a square until you add a roof, 2 windows, and a door. Then it's much, much more. So look, can you find the squares in this picture? Let's see, let's bend this like this. The house is a square. And I also see the windows are squares too. It's fun to make pictures with shapes. A circle is just a circle until you add some lights, chairs, high and low. Round and round they go. Let's see what they made with all these shapes. Look, it's a carnival. And I see a circle made of Ferris wheel. There's a circle here too. Look, I see lots of circles in some of the circus tents. Circles all on the Ferris wheel too. A triangle is just a triangle until you add another, an ocean and a sky, a seagull passing by. All right, let's see what they made with the triangles. Oh, they made a boat. I see a triangle here and a triangle here. Triangles can sometimes look different depending how they're drawn, but a triangle has to have 3 sides. So this is the triangle and here's a triangle. A rectangle is just a rectangle until you add some more, an engine and a truck. And a track, a red caboose and back. Oh, it looks like it's a train. See? Lots of rectangles, I see. Oh, an oval. An oval is just an oval until you add a nest, a wooden house, and then a patient mother hen. Oh, let's see. Oh, look, it's a hen, and she laid an egg that looks like an oval. A diamond is just a diamond until you add some string, wind, and a tail, some friends to help it sail. Can you guess what it's going to be? I think it's going to be a kite. Ah, yes, a kite. See the diamond? And you know what? Look. Do you see all these little shapes? Triangles. 2 triangles. that made the tail of the kite. A shape is just a shape, but look again and see. It's fun to use all the shapes to make pictures, right? Look how many things you can make from shapes. There are shapes of every kind. How many can you find? There's so many shapes. Circle, circle, diamond, rectangle. I see squares, an oval. Lots of things in this picture to make a beautiful picture full of shapes. That was great. So today, boys and girls, we are going to be focusing on circles and triangles. The first thing we want to talk about is the sides and the vertices. So right here, a circle is a special kind of shape because it doesn't have any sides. It just goes round and round. So, boys and girls, it has 0 sides and 0 vertices because there's no point. And remember the song that I taught you, the sides and the vertices are the same. So, how many sides there are in a shape is how many vertices there are. Let's look at the triangle. The triangle, these are the sides. The lines are the sides. They make the shape. So we have 1, 2, 3. 3 sides, which means how many vertices do we have? 3. Here are the vertices, right here, the point where the side meets, okay? All right, look over here, boys and girls. Look at my first shape. This is what you're gonna be doing in the lesson that I'm going to be attaching, okay, on the worksheet that I'm gonna attach. So it's a circle. I have to find all the circles in my row and I'm gonna circle them. Is this a circle? Yes, it's a little circle, so I'm gonna circle it. How about this shape? No, that's a triangle. This one? Nope, that's a square. Yes, a circle. How about this one? Nope, that's a rectangle. You can X them out if you want to. Yep, circle. Square. So I had 1, 2, 3. I found 3 circles. All right, triangles. Triangles are tricky because, as I said, sometimes they look a little different. They always don't look this way, okay? But as long as they have 3 sides, it's a triangle. This one? Yes. Okay, see how the shape looks a little different than this shape. It looks a little more stretched out, right? But it still has 3 sides and 3 vertices. This shape? No, that's a circle. Triangle? Yeah, this one does look similar to this one. How about this? Nope, that's a rectangle. Yes, this is a triangle too, look. It's turned upside down, but it's still a triangle because I still see 3 sides and 3 vertices. How about this one? Yep, that's a triangle too. Once again, it looks a little different, but I can see, right? It's kind of turned on its side, but I can see it has 3 sides and 3 vertices. And how about the last one? No, that's a square. I found 1, 2, 3, 4. I found 4 triangles. Great job. You know what else I decided to do? And you can do this too, is go on a shape hunt in your house. See if you can find circles and triangles in your house. This is what I found. So I found for my circles, look, this is a little Connect 4 piece that I found. Remember, 2D shapes are flat. I can put them flat on the table. Okay, remember, 3D shapes, look. This, you see this? This is not a circle. We're gonna learn about this later in another chapter about 3D shapes. This is called a sphere. So remember, a circle has to lay flat. 2D shapes are flat. 3D shapes I can see all around. Okay, so there's a difference. All right, I also found this. I found a Frisbee. Okay, I can lay this flat on the ground. For my triangles, I found a little yield sign and I found a little roadwork sign. I found all of these in Jordan's playroom. So, see what you can find. Take some pictures and send them to me. I'd love to see what's in your house for circles and triangles. Remember, attached to this lesson, I'm going to attach some worksheets about circles and triangles, seeing if you can match circles to circles, triangles to triangles, and see if you can decide how many sides and how many vertices each shape has. Remember, parents, you don't need to print it out, okay? Take a picture of your child's work and send it to me. You guys are doing a great job. Keep growing your brain. I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.